Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Fuke from the Black Box, and today I will show you how to trade, alright? I mean how to trade using the Black Box. We will be finding a setup, and I'll show you everything from the crypto to the commodities, from the indices to the forex, right? We will find a setup, and I swear you will not regret watching this, and it will not take much time, right? So as you can see, this is Theta versus USDT. It's a crypto, and as you can see, what do you see here? A consolidation, right? So this consolidation band starts from there, up there, and down. We can use this thing just like this one. The bodies I told you, this thing, if they are equal, you can connect them, okay? To be sure, just connect this one just like this, okay? Let us change the color because it is our black box is our go-to, right? So you can see this is a consolidation. If you go to on the higher time frames, you will see that. So all we gotta do is wait for this to break, right? It is, as you can see, there is a single fake out around here. So this is like what? This is like the third model. It is the third model in play. You put your right there. You put your stop. I mean take profit. Okay, you project your take profit. So you will be getting out where if this thing breaks out, we will be getting out right there. Our TP3 our 30% will get out right there, not up there. But what about the 70%? The 70% will be out exactly at, once this market breaks, we will be getting out exactly at this number 0.960, right? As you can see, it is pounding hard to the downside, as you can see it. Now, 70% will be out right exactly at this high, right? So after that, we will let the other run to where? To the downside, to the 0.900. So we have put our alarm and everything, so yeah, the market will tell us. Okay, next thing that we gotta do is find a consolidation on the other current cryptocurrencies. As you can see in here, this is VeChain versus USDT. We got a consolidation here, right? We have a consolidation, some kind of so you make it like this, you draw it like this, and you wait for the break to happen. You wait for the breakout, right? You wait for the breakout. This is VeChain, and we got no trade at all. It is moving up, as you can see, which means it is still consolidating this thing. So we have time. Next, on our list is Bitcoin USDT. As you can see, BTC USDT. As you can see earlier, 3 days earlier, as you can see this trade, we missed this trade, this huge move right there. This could have been great, but we missed it. So TP3 exactly hit right there, as you can see it, right at the tip. That is beautiful. It doesn't get any precise than this. This is precise. It's beautiful and it's amazing. Another trade that I took yesterday. This was the trade I took yesterday. The downside, as you can see. Let me show you on the other, right there. This was the trade. I think it was a 400 USD, $400 profit. But I got out on the TP's 70% as this TP because Unfortunately, the broker, the Prime XBT, I was trading on Prime XBT, and they do not allow partial profits, and that is frustrating. That is not good for our strategy, right? And I got out all my trades right there because the market started to retrace, and I didn't want to risk the money, the profit I made, right? So if I had let down everything, if I hadn't taken out the profit, then as you can see, we would not miss this move right there. Let me measure it too. Right there. You can see it. This is how you measure, right? This is how you measure. As you can see, TP4 hit exactly at the point by this big candle. There is no retracement, there is nothing. TP3 is most of the time we are targeting TP3 and we will trail our stop to the downside. Right, as you can see, TP4 hit beautifully. I simply measured the head from I connect the body and the body is not the wicks. The wicks, if they are not equal, they have no importance at all. They have no importance. As you can see, right now, even right now, it is coming back to this wicks to fill it, right? So this would have been a nice trade. I could make around 15 grand, yeah, $1,500 from this trade if I hadn't got out right there. But that is a $400 trade right there. If it doubles, and it is triple of this one, so that could be 1,200 or something. Okay. But anyways, so Prime XCBT is not great, right? It is if there is no opportunity to take partial profits, then it is not gonna be great, right? So we need partial profits. So this is BTC USDT. As you can see, there is no trade at all because we got no consolidation. Let's get back to the next one. Ethereum. This is Ethereum USDT, as you can see it. What do you see here? Do we have a trade? Yes, we had a trade right there. Okay, you connect this thing right there, and you connect that one right there, and this candle folded up. If it went down, then there was no trade, but it folded up and made 3 candles. So you connect this and TP hit right there, exactly right there. On the Ethereum also there was another trade yesterday. It was a great trade, would have been a great trade, as you can see. But now in this case there is no trade at all. We got no trade. Let's go to the next cryptocurrency. It could be Litecoin or yeah, I think it is Litecoin. So this is how you enter a market. This is how you find setups. This is how you place your take profit. This is how you place your stop loss. Right? Your stop loss is simply below the if you are buying below this black rectangle, this black box, right? If you are selling, it is above this black box. Okay. So let's see the next one, and we will see the forex, like the pound dollar and euro dollar. If we have any consolidation or any trade, so we will be looking at the 2-hour time frame. We will be looking at the 3-hour and the 4-hour. And the daily is for more long-term investment. Like if you want to wait for another 2 weeks or something, then you will be analyzing the daily, right? You will be looking at consolidation on the daily time frame. So that if that is what you want. Right, what is going on with this connection is really bad. It is really bad. I'll catch you once it returns. Alright, The connection is back. As you can see, this is Litecoin. Litecoin, as you can see, LTC versus USDT. Just like Ethereum and Bitcoin, we had a great trade around here. But now it is falling. It's falling from the sky. Maybe they will bring it down here, right? We don't even care if they come down here or not. We are finding our setup. Alright, we've got something in here. We have Binance coin. On the Binance coin we have something. All you gotta do is connect these things, guys. Connecting the lows, right? Okay, let us make it a different color, like the yellow. Alright, as you can see, we have what? We have a consolidation. So we want a breakout. We want the breakout to happen, right? So Binance coin is still holding its ground. So there is no trade still no trade at all. There is no break, right? Still consolidating. So let's find the other cryptocurrencies. What did we have? We had some good trade right there, because as you can see, this candle folded up, right? It folded up. If it had fallen from here without coming up, then we would assume that this is a 2 candle consolidation, but this is a 3 candle consolidation. It went up, right? It went up. So what you gotta do is you just connect this thing, right? The loss, and you make this thing black, and that is it. And you wait for the breakout, and breakout happened, you would buy, sell. Right here you would buy, right here you would sell, right here you would sell, right? This is Dogecoin, Doge USDT right here, right? Here no trade because only 2 candles. There is no third candle here. There is no trade. So if there are less candles consolidating, then the chances are very, very slim. Or the chances there will be no more peep. As you can see here, this thing is 2 candles only. It went up and it quickly reversed. As you can see here, right there, it went up and quickly reversed, right? But this thing is a 3 candle consolidation. Look where it went. It went up huge. This is a 3 candle, and as you can see, it went down. So we need more candles, right? More candles to, as you can see, you can connect this thing like this. And see, we had a break. We have a break right there. This is clean. So this thing is falling down. This thing is falling. There's no trade on Dogecoin. No trade on Tron. There was a good trade right there. Right there, nice. Right there, great consolidation. Right there, it was beautiful. This was beautiful. It doesn't get any cleaner than this. It's beautiful. 1, 2, 3 is the fourth one. The fifth broke out. The same thing here. 3 candles, fourth one broke. There is no trade on Tron. Wow. The Monero is still pumping up despite the Bitcoin and Ethereum going down. Most of the cryptocurrencies are going down, but this thing is moving up. It's crazy. And the best thing is our play is still, our black box is still in action. That is beautiful. That is the best thing. Right there, you take a trade. Boom. Not right there. With this candle, actually. This red candle is where you take a trade. And look where it went. It's beautiful. It is everywhere. It's everywhere. Look right there. You connect these wicks, connect this thing. It went down. You sold. When it went up, you buy. it delivered up there, right? Yes, still it went up again, okay, but nobody wants to wait that much, so and your stop loss will be hit because you trailed it, and that is the best option, that's the best decision you made, okay? Trailing your stop loss is very important, very important if the market moved significantly. But if it is closed, don't touch it. Don't even touch. Don't touch anything. As you can see around here we had a consolidation and we moved up. Now we are finding a support. Theta. Right, we are on XRP. Theta has broken out, so we are selling. This is where the action begins, right? So we will be selecting here. Where is there we go. We will be selling 100. Not 1,000, but 10,000, no, maybe 5,000, maybe 8,000. Yeah, that is great. That's great. We'll be selling this thing. As you can see, this is theta. Theta, the previous one that the previous consolidations that we identified, right? This one. This one, as you can see, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So our TP will be exactly down there. Right there, the like I told you earlier, that 0.960, and you will see this trade and it will play out great because this thing is a single fake out, and when this thing melts it will reach TP3. Believe me, it will reach TP3 right there, right there. TP3 is exactly right there, so that's where it would go, right? Maybe around 0.92, right around this low, taking out this low, right? As you can see, it has started its move. It is moving huge, so we'll be placing an alarm when it reaches our TP because uh, the bad thing is do not have a partial profit taking system, and that is very bad, and I don't like that thing, right? I don't like anything like this. So we let it play this, we let this thing play. Let's come to where we were before. We were at XRP, right? Yeah, we were on XRP. Let's go back to XRP, and as you can see, there is no trade, so we just go to the next one, right? Still no trade. It's moving up, trending. Solana. Solana is moving up. Chainlink is moving down. As you can see, a lot of rejections to the upside, so it will not be moving up, it will come down. Right, this thing I was waiting and it happened, but actually it was up there, not down here, right? Equal, I told you equal things, right? This thing is the one that broke it. Then retest, then boom, TP hit right there, exactly. Chainlink we have not read. Wow, on Matic has it is melting, as you can see. This is a 2-hour candle. This is not 1 minute. This is 2 hour. And look at this beauty. Look at this single fake out. It is beautiful. And it is beautiful. It's just I told you everything I tell you is the in the four models. Everything the market does is within the four models. It will not be outside of that, as you can see. Single fake out. The third model happened. We broke, TP hit 70% out, and then retraced back, right? If you are If you are trading on Bitget or on Binance, then you would have some kind of partial profit taking system, right? They gotta have something like that. Otherwise, it is gonna be difficult. So as you can see, TP it and it came back to the third TP. I think this is the second TP or third TP. TP2 or TP3 is hit right there. So it is still falling. Anyway, still falling. So there is no trade actually. Right now we have no trade. No trade here too. Good, nice trade right there. Nice trade right there. Using our black box. We had a nice trade right there. Okay. You connect the lows, you connect the highs. We are entering after these three candles are formed, not where when they are to right. Nice trade right there, three candles right there, boom. Went up, right? This was amazing. As you can see, single fake out. Single fake out happened, then boom. Went down like hell. Nice trade right there, boom. And it is everywhere. Black box is everywhere. Let's go to the next AVAX because we don't have much time, right? So this is AVAX, so it's the same thing, right? Cryptos do the same thing over and over again. So there is no trade at all, right? Here. What do we have here? Some kind of consolidation. So what we gotta do is it is the same thing. It's consolidated between this gap, this gap. So this is what we do. This is what we're gonna do on Decentraland versus on USDT, right? US Tether. No trade here, and this thing was not great, as you can see. Cardano was not great. So back to here. No trade here too. Algorand, Axis. There is no trade here also. Everything is falling. So all cryptos are falling. As you can see, this dot. Wow, dot has moved a lot, but next. So these are the cryptos. I think we are finishing up. So there is no trade because they already have started their move, right? And we got no consolidation at all. That's why. Please connection. Please don't do this. Please. We have a lot of trades to take, right? Like on the forex, and we'll be looking at Nasdaq and US 32. Look at this clean beauty. It is just beautiful. Look at this. It's like computer generated. It's amazing. Right here, not great. Right, there's no great consolidation. Still trending on EOS. Near is the same thing. No trade at all. No trade. Maybe you might want to connect this thing just like this one and wait for the breakout, right? But I recommend you to not trade these kinds of things because these kinds of things are swinging, okay? They are swinging. They are not compressed very much. They are not compressed just like this one. This is compressed. This is compressed hard. It's trading up and down. There is no swing. There is nothing here, right? So you mark this thing, right? And then boom, it went up. So you wanna select these kinds of things, not these kinds of swings. These swings are not consolidations, right? These are trending. Not red on near, not red on sand. If you have noticed, all of them made this third The third model of the black box, as you can see, single fake out, and they never looked back. They went up, right? So single fake out gives you a lot of money. They give you a lot of pips. They will not stop until the target is reached. As you can see the target right there. Right? So no on the field. On Phantom there is no trade, it is still trending. On Eagle, no trade at all. ICP has broken the low earlier. On Clay got no trade as you can see. So still nothing. Maybe you might want to connect this thing, the ups and the bottoms, and wait for the break to the downside or the upside. This thing will be filled. This is a mistake, so the market will come down, touch something and get into this demand zone, and then it will go up, filling this thing right at 0.2552250, right? So that is something to remember. No trade here, trending all Uniswap. As you can see, Theta, the trade we took, it is still moving, so it has advanced a little, so it's great. Next, oh, VeChain has broken also. VeChain has also broken. We could take a trade around here, but it is the same thing, you know. It is the same thing. It is VeChain, right? So let's measure the TP. Up there, up there. The TP is exactly rising down here. 70% will be out down here. So this is VeChain, right? So let us consider entering VET. Okay, on VET we will be entering on VET. Okay. All right. VET USDT at last. There we go. Man, that is gonna require 10,000 or something. 20,000. My goodness. 90,000. That is enough. That's enough. Just let's place order. I didn't place TP and the stop loss because we can place it. If we want, we can place the stop loss and the TP. So the stop losses will be above this candle I told you. This is gonna be at 0.02840. At 0.02840 right there. So on prime XBT. And 840 right. And 840. What the hell happened here? What? Oh my goodness, I bought. Oh my goodness, this is so crazy. But it was a penny, so I was meaning to sell, right? I was meaning to sell, but I bought it. This is crazy. This is crazy. So let's what was TP? I mean 0.02840. 0.0840, right? it is not a lot of money. So, but the other thing is that stop loss. I mean, the take profit. I'm sorry, the take profit. The take profit in this case, I would let it run to the TP3. So as you can see, this thing and TP3 is right exactly there. 0.267. 267. We could get only $100, so that is great. That is great. That is on VET. Don't worry about this bullish candle coming back up. It's probably just a retest, right? It's a retest. So this is on VET. Let's see theta and let's place our stops. Our stop will be exactly at the 8 of this. That is 1.06. 1.06 stop loss. What? Only 9? That's crazy. Take profit will be exactly at TP3. That is at 0.91. 0.91. So we'll be setting this thing right. What is going on here? Man, I'm so sorry, people. I am so sorry. I bought this thing again. This is so embarrassing. This is embarrassing. I meant to sell and I bought this thing. It's crazy. It's just crazy. What the hell? Oh my goodness. Come on, close this shit. Let us close this and we'll be selling, right? So we'll be selling. My goodness. As you can see, it's retracing it. Of course, it is gonna do that because it is always back and for this. It is making a wick. It has to make a wick and it will come down, right? Making a wick. Come on, close this thing. The hell is going on here? It's crazy. Where is that? Theta is the most promising. As you can see, I sold it, right? Place sell. Place sell order. And I sold it. But I don't know what the hell is going on here. Sell, right? Yep. Take profit. I meant TP. TP will be right. What the hell is that? No, take profit is only just is gonna be at 0.91. 0.91. My goodness, what the hell is going on? 0.91. This one will be 1.06. What? 1.025. 0.025. Yeah, that's great. That is better. That is better. So you can see we have entered everything. So the next thing that we need to do is find the setup on we don't want this watch list. Find the setup on the forex market. So what you're gonna do, my goodness, let's search each one of them. Euro dollar. So euro dollar we have something. On euro dollar we have nothing. We have nothing. Pound dollar. Let's go to pound dollar. This is 2 hours. So if you don't find the setup on the 2 hours, then go to the 4 hour or something. You could find something there. Let's go to CAD, dollar CAD. So dollar CAD, we had missed a great trade right there. As you can see, that was great. And earlier I sold up there. But unfortunately, after the TP was hit, I got out, and there was no profit, partial profit taking on Prime XBT. So that's the problem. When we could have made a lot of money with this, right? With this movement, but we couldn't because of their problem, right? So that's crazy. It's crazy. Dollar shift. We had nothing. We got nothing. But here there was a great trade right there on the upside and on the downside. It was great. On Euro shift. Euro shift no trade at all. As you can see. Pound shift. It is the same thing. No trade. So you can see there was something there. There was something here. Here nothing. And here something. There was something there. And GJ, there is nothing, still consolidating this thing. When this thing breaks out of this, you will not catch it. But you wanna be a part of this movement, right? When it breaks out, you wanna be a part of that one. So you can see UJ dollar yen has found a support now, moving up. We had a great trade around here. After this third candle has formed, right? Next, euro yen. The yen pairs, all of them are still recovering from the bear moves that they have started, but it was a pullback. It is just a pullback. They will go up in no time. No trade on EJ, no trade on CJ2. As you can see, was some kind of amazing trades we could have profited on. On Kiwi dollar, we have nothing here also. Still consolidating this range, right? Aussie dollar, as you can see, nothing Aussie dollar to still they are consolidating, right? This Kiwi dollar and Aussie dollar are consolidating. Euro Aussie, we had something there, we had another trade rise here, we had another trade rise here, but no trade here. Nice trade right there, great trade. Right. For MetaTrader, there is an option to take partial profit. You can check the video where I talk about how to take partial profits. I have a video on my channel, right? You can check it out. This is Pound Aussie, as you can see, there is no trade. I am waiting for this thing to break out. Once it breaks out, then I have already placed everything, the TPs and the stop loss and everything. So we'll be participating in this breakout. Oil, we don't need to know about oil because oil has some consolidation around it. What you gotta do is gotta comment this thing just like this one, simple. 2 minutes, 1 minute, or also, as you can see, this thing went up after hitting some kind of support around here. So this thing will move up. On gold, as you can see, this is simple. You don't have to do nothing, and you'll find setups everywhere. There is setup everywhere, every day. If you don't find setup on one currency, you'll get it on another. On gold, there is not right. As you can see, nice support right there, boom, and we went up. Let's see silver. It's around here where is all, and okay, this could do it. Silver, no trade, still pumping up, so no trade. US 30 or Dow Jones Industrial. So it's the same thing. It's like the silver. US 30 on Nasdaq, US Tech 100 index. As you can see, it found a support. There was nice trade right there, nice trade around here selling, but this was Friday night when the market was about to close, so no one takes a trade because there is an a weekend overnight commission you have to pay. SPX and P 500 no trade, the same thing. Indexes has no trade at all. Since it is Monday, so that's why. This thing I had bought this thing, but it instantly retraced back, and I sold it down there because this is single fake out. As you can see, one candle, we had another two candle, we had third candle, the fourth candle broke out, so that's where I entered, and I immediately got out because of this big candle. As you can see, it's a huge candle, right? Broke out, but you enter when the lower band is broken, not when it retraces, because it could be a retest to move up again. So that is one simple rule that could change your trading game forever. Right? Do we have a consolidation or a pound card? Of course we have something like this. But you gotta connect this thing to, because still something is still getting down. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna place an alarm So it can tell us trading, we can tell us when this thing breaks out. Well, if it breaks out, we are selling. As you can see from here, this thing is falling because you can see the trend is now not contained anymore. The trend is now gone, right? As you can see it, the trend is now gone. We had 3 touches around here, so we found support up there. Nice sell right there, boom, and now again another sell. This retest could be a sell, but our black box doesn't care about these things. We don't have to know anything about this. All we want is consolidation and a breakout. Aussie CAD. On Aussie CAD we have a beautiful consolidation, as you can see. We're not gonna miss this thing. We will not miss this thing. We will not miss this thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place an alarm, right? I'm going to place an alarm, or we'll check it out later, right? We'll check it out later. Connect this to the equal highs, right? We'll check it out later. What is that? Aussie CAD, right? It's Aussie CAD. So Kiwi CAD, or let me press an alarm. As you can see, it's moving down. The rejection is from the upside, so this could move, break to the downside. Simple analysis. There is no analysis at all. There is no analysis at all. Let's go to Kiwi CAD. Alright. As you can see, Kiwi CAD has some good trade, but we didn't see that one. There is no trade in this instant. There is nothing. Maybe on the higher time frames like the 4 hour, but on the 2 hours there is nothing. Aussie chef. Alright, these Aussie pairs are looking good. They are looking good. So we gotta connect just like this, and we'll be waiting for a break. We'll be waiting for the break, right? Still consolidating, so the Aussie pairs are still consolidating. Let's go to Euro Pound. And let's finish this video because it's getting longer and longer, so we don't want it to be 4 hours long, right? As you can see, it was a nice trade, came down. This could be a sellout. I mean, the third model single fake out, right? So we could sell this thing after it breaks this low, right? After it breaks this low, right? So now this low is in a range, so this thing has to break the downside, so otherwise we will not take that trade. Chevian on Oanda. Nice, beautiful. Right there we have some beautiful consolidations. Just do this and wait. So as you can see, we have great trades waiting for us. We enter a buy as soon as that breaks out. Right? Chevian. Let's put a symbol there, Z. Euro Pound has another trade. Aussie Chef has another trade that we are waiting. And whereas Aussie CAD has another trade too. These are symbols for be cautious, right? So these are symbols for be cautious. Next we will see Aussie Kiwi. On Aussie Kiwi, as you can see, there was nice trade right there, buy. Now it is coming down. So this could be a single fake out, so it will come down here, right? So the trade is over, but you can't wait for the single fake out to happen. I don't think this would be a support to move up, right? The high probability thing is after the taking a trade after the box is broken is the best one, right? Is the best one, not the retest, not the after the market has done its thing. This is another consolidation, right? Card shift. In the card shift, let's put another Z or Euro Kiwi. So this is how you find your setup, right? It's simple. Simple. It's freaking simple and it's rewarding, right? It's beautiful. I am explaining for you, so that's why it is taking too long, and I am finding a setup on the entire trading market except the stocks and the futures, right? I am showing you everything. The indices, the forex, commodities, including gold and silver. There is no trade on Kiwi, pound Kiwi. Let us go to Kiwi Chef. Kiwi Chef is also moving up, so we had a great trade right there. This is how you do it. So now you could buy. So now what you're gonna do is you are buying. Why? Because this thing broke, right? This thing broke, this console is the upside. Believe me, this thing will move to the TP right here. Our TP is up there. It is up there, right? It will move to up there. So we will watch it. I'll show you on the next video if I make something right. This is Kiwi Chef, right? So let's go to Kiwian is moving up too, as you can see, because all EM pairs are moving up. When you see these kinds of things, go to the higher time frames like the daily. The daily will tell you everything. As you can see, the daily has something for us, right? The daily has something for us. What you're gonna do? You are going to connect this thing just like this one and wait for the break. This is it. This is it. There is nothing you can do. This is it. Come down to 2 hour. Let's go to the indices. How is it 200? The Australian index. Nothing here, as you can see. There was a great riser, but it was after the market closed the weekend. Let's go to France 40. My goodness, what did you do? Oh, beautiful. I have something on France 40. What you gonna do? You're gonna do this. That's it. That's it. The market will tell us everything. The direction, the TP, the stop loss, everything will be given to us by the market. We will do nothing. So let's put Z there. We have potential trade opportunity. So let's put Euro stock. Euro stock is the same thing like France 40. Maybe we can this thing too, just like this one too. We'll put Z there. Let's come to Japan and at 25. I think this is to mean Hang Seng. It could be Hang Seng or Nikkei. So the indexes are. So you can see this Japan 25. I took a trade earlier and I took it to the downside right there. So and I got out when it came back. So It's perfect trade. That was a perfect trade. I don't know. It was 800 USD or something. Yeah. That was a great trade. But now we got nothing. We have nothing. Q100. Right. VK100 has something for us. An existing. A little bit down, a little bit up. That thing is equal. So on VK100, put Z. The last one, German 40. We do not see. We will not be looking for a trade on Brent because Brent and oil are the same. They are the same. So we will not kill our time. Put there. German 40 has another consolidation too. Put Z and wait for the breakout. This is all that I wanted to show you. I hope you have got some idea. Let's check the theta. There's the trades, right? Where is it? Yeah, still consolidating, so it is some kind of retest. So you can see it is. I told you that they will make a weekend to come down, so we will easily make $600 or something on this TP. This TP, I don't know. That is amazing. So that's amazing. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching, everyone. So it has been already too long, so I will see you in the next one.